Revitalizing vintage luggage into unique storage and display furniture pieces is a captivating craft that reflects not only a creative vision, but also a commitment to sustainable craftsmanship. The significance of transforming these forgotten treasures into functional art lies in their rich history and potential for revitalization. Vintage luggage, once used to accompany journeys around the globe, carries with it stories and memories that can breathe new life into any home. By meticulously cleaning, reinforcing, and creatively adapting these discarded items, artisans can create distinctive storage solutions and display units that not only serve practical purposes, but also inject personality and character into modern spaces. This process not only enriches the aesthetic appeal of a home, but also reinforces the idea that sustainability and creativity can go hand in hand, allowing what was once considered junk to be reborn as valuable decor. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The journey of revitalizing vintage luggage begins with sourcing these pieces, often found in thrift stores, yard sales, or online marketplaces, where they may be overlooked due to their age or wear. Each piece carries its own narrative, with unique detailing, textures, and finishes that speak to different eras and styles. Upon acquiring the luggage, the first step involves a thorough inspection to assess its condition. While some pieces may exhibit a patina that tells a story of travel and adventure, others may show visible signs of wear such as scuffs, broken hinges, or worn interiors. Recognizing the value contained within each piece is crucial. These imperfections are not setbacks, but rather characteristics that add to the overall charm of the finished furniture. This beginning phase establishes a connection with the luggage, encouraging artisans to envision how they might honor its past while transforming it into a functional piece for contemporary living. Cleaning vintage luggage is both an art and a science. The task requires careful attention to detail to remove years of dust, dirt, and potential odors without damaging the materials. Artisans often start by using a gentle cleaning solution specifically designed for the fabric, leather, and metal elements of the luggage. Soft brushes and cloths are employed to gently scrub surfaces, revealing the hidden beauty beneath years of neglect. For antique leather, a specialized leather conditioner can help restore its luster, ensuring that it remains soft and supple. By revitalizing these materials, artisans not only enhance the luggage's visual appeal, but also extend its life, underscoring the sustainable nature of their craft. This cleaning process serves as a crucial step in the journey of transformation. It establishes a solid foundation for the future craftsmanship that will bring the luggage into a new realm of usability. Once cleaned, the next step involves reinforcing the structure of the vintage luggage, especially if it will serve as a display unit or storage solution. Many older pieces are constructed from durable materials, but age can weaken their integrity. Artisans assess the entire structure, paying special attention to hinges, locks, and seams, which are often the first points of failure in vintage luggage. Utilizing modern fastening techniques, such as adding brackets or braces, can significantly enhance stability while maintaining the visual integrity of the piece. This reinforcement process allows the luggage to safely function as a piece of furniture, ready to hold books, knickknacks, or other decorative items without fear of collapse or disrepair. By fortifying the luggage, artisans forge a fusion of past and present, ensuring that the finished product retains its historical essence while being functional in the modern context. The creative adaptation of vintage luggage into storage and display solutions presents limitless possibilities. Artisans might choose to transform a sturdy suitcase into a stylish coffee table or stack multiple pieces to create an eye-catching side table with multiple compartments for storage. The luggage's unique shapes, colors, and hardware can inspire imaginative designs. For instance, an old trunk might be used as the base of a bed frame, providing a whimsical touch to a bedroom while also serving as a spacious storage solution. Alternatively, smaller vintage suitcases can be mounted on walls as floating shelves, cleverly optimizing space while adding visual interest to a room. The versatility of design enables artisans to cater to various aesthetics, from bohemian and rustic to modern and eclectic, ensuring that each piece finds its place in a diverse array of homes. The transformation process also highlights the importance of custom finishes, further enhancing the uniqueness of each piece. Artisans often choose to paint or stain the exterior of the luggage to suit contemporary trends while maintaining respect for the originality of the piece. For example, using chalk paint can create a distressed finish that evokes nostalgia while ensuring durability and easy maintenance. Alternatively, leaving the external surface as is, highlighting the wear and tear, can evoke a sense of history and authenticity that resonates deeply with those seeking character-rich decor. Custom knobs, handles, or clasps may also be added, giving the furniture a personalized touch that reflects the artisan's creativity and enhances its charm. This bespoke approach personalizes each piece, ensuring it remains not just a functional object, but also a work of art that tells a story. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Once transformed, these unique storage solutions and display units embody sustainable craftsmanship, blending artistry with environmental consciousness. In an age where consumers increasingly seek to reduce their ecological footprint, revitalizing vintage luggage aligns with the growing trend towards sustainable living. By upcycling materials that may have been discarded, artisans contribute to a circular economy that values resourcefulness and creativity over mindless consumption. This commitment to sustainability becomes a compelling selling point, attracting customers who appreciate the stories embedded in the furniture they choose to bring into their homes. As artisans craft each piece with care and intention, they not only create beautiful furniture, but also engage in a dialogue about the value of preserving history and the significance of reducing waste. The market for unique, story-rich home decor has expanded as more consumers gravitate toward distinctive pieces that stand out from mass-produced furniture. As artisans showcase their revitalized vintage luggage creations, storytelling becomes a key element of marketing. Sharing the history of each piece, the craftsmanship involved in its transformation, and the sustainable ethos that drives these creations invites potential buyers to connect emotionally with the furniture. Whether displayed in galleries, local craft fairs, or online marketplaces, these pieces resonate with buyers who are drawn not just to the item itself, but to the narrative it carries. By encapsulating the essence of travel, adventure, and rediscovery, each transformed vintage luggage piece transcends mere functionality. In this creative landscape, artisans have the opportunity to diversify their output, exploring various styles and functions to appeal to different audiences. Some may focus on creating chic, modern display shops that complement minimalist aesthetics, while others may lean into rustic designs that evoke a sense of nostalgia. The possibilities are only limited by the imagination, enabling artisans to experiment with combinations of fabrics, additional materials, and design elements. This adaptability not only enhances profitability, but also fosters a dynamic creative ecosystem where artisans continually learn, grow, and inspire one another. The revitalization of vintage luggage also creates a movement that transcends individual artistry, encouraging community engagement and collaboration. By hosting workshops and demonstrations, artisans pave the way for others to explore their creativity while learning the craftsmanship involved in upcycling. These events serve as platforms for sharing knowledge, inspiring participants to see the beauty in forgotten items. As communities come together to repurpose vintage luggage, they participate in a meaningful practice that emphasizes the importance of sustainability and craftsmanship while building connections through creative expression. In the journey of transforming forgotten vintage luggage into distinctive, functional furniture pieces encapsulates a vibrant narrative of creativity, sustainability, and historical appreciation. Through the meticulous processes of cleaning, reinforcing, and adapting these pieces, artisans not only create unique storage solutions and display units, but also breathe new life into objects that carry their own visual and cultural significance. As they navigate this transformation, artisans showcase their commitment to sustainable craftsmanship, turning once discarded items into profitable, story-rich home decor that resonates deeply with contemporary consumers. This practice serves as a reminder that creativity can flourish through the reclamation of the past, encouraging a future where uniqueness and sustainability coexist beautifully in our living spaces. Each revitalized piece of luggage becomes a testament to the beauty of reimagining history, reaffirming the notion that art and function not only coexist, but thrive in the stories we choose to tell through the objects we create. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.